Test tied up well. Test tied up well.
Is it a tied up matter?
Pardon me, my lord.
Is the bail, my lord, tied up matter? Another tied up?
Yes.
Legal advice.
Pardon me, my lord. CRLA 418/13. It is a tied up matter for bail. And also another is the bail for it is also tied up matter.
Tied up bill was left over order dated 1904 to keep it.
Tied up matter. That they have to move on 29th and 9th. I have to move. And you also allowed the matter.
Okay, come.
Serious condition.
My lord,
Supplemental mission.
Division bench matter.
No, single bench matter.
Single bench.
Up your lordship. Move करथिल on 6 तारीख रे. करथिल single.
my lord, CRLA 123/2018. My lord, appellants are being innocent, languishing in judicial custody since last 8 years, my lord. Appellant's mother is seriously ill, my lord.
No.
My lord, bail.
Is it a division bench matter?
Yes, my lord.
Is it a division bench matter?
No, my lord, single bench, lord.
Single bench matter. Why are you mentioning before me? CRLA, the court who might have been assigned with the CRLA matter, he will hear that court will hear matter.
My lord, this in this bench, one bail has rejected, my lord.
Rejected all.
Yes.
All right, give it.
Matter for interim bail, because matter was supposed to come on 26/4, lordship.
What is that
It is,
nomenclature?
it's a BLAPL, lordship. It's your lordship's case only, lordship. So instructions were regarding the health of the petitioner.
Give
lordship.
it.
So any due course of the day or Monday, lordship.
We'll see that.
My lord, tied up matter.
Please give it.
Tied up bail, my lord, specifically adjourned to 26.
Give it.
Not regular bail. वो की जो release on bail in the same affair.
No, is it in the tied up matter?
My lord.
Please give it.
Pardon me, lord. Item 49. Item 49, supplemental list. A co-accused person has been released on bail.
We'll go serially, Mr. Plan Counsel. Yes, please.
Lord, item 56, my lord. Says to appeal notice has to go.
Is it coming for the first time?
Yes, my lord. I'm serving the copy, my lord, so notice may be issued. 56.
So, Mr. Tripathi, this 56 is a fresh matter.
Yes,
and SC/ST, so notice has to go.
Yes.
Take the usual order, issue notice. Extra copies have been court recorded. To be listed. CD, criminal antecedent, and confirmation letter regarding service of notice.
Are we commencing, my lord, 7th?
It will come on 17th. Yes, because 10th is a holiday.
Yes, sir.
Item 7 permitted to withdraw. Are you filing any memo? Yes. Please. Disposed of as withdrawn. Yeah.
Supplemental list, item number 1.
Alright. It's a Belgium matter. In this case, the petitioner has arrested and forwarded to the court of session judge Sambalpur, first AD Sambalpur on 7th of January 24. And earlier, the petitioner was released on bail by the session judge Sambalpur.
Is it a Belgium matter, Mr. Tripathi? Rejection order, please see that.
Yeah.
Bail on 22/12/2020. That is in page 8, last paragraph.
Yes.
Got it, that post?
Yes, that's.
For the Learned Council, Mr. B. Panda, Vidyadhar Panda, Learned Council, Procedural, High Court, Sambalpur, submits that the petitioner was on bail due to non-taking of steps. Non-bailable warrant of arrest was issued against him, and by virtue of which he has been taken into judicial custody. On which date you were taken into custody?
I'm 7th of January 24.
7th of January 2024. Rest of the thing, Belgium format, it is allowed. Bail allowed? Yes.
Item 2.
May I please, on behalf of Mr. Khansam, I may permit to submit.
Yes, of course.
Well, this is a Belgium matter, my lord. NBW was issued on 9/2/2023, my lord, and the present prisoner was taken to custody on 22/2024, my lord. 22/2024, my lord.
Mr. Tripathi, please verify.
Yes, my lord.
So same order except this 20/2024, the date of custody allowed.
Oblast.
Item 3.
Yes,
May I
Mr.
please,
Lenka.
May I please, Lord? My lord, the petitioner is in custody since 14/3/2024, and he surrendered pursuant to the order passed by this honorable court in the CRLM MC number 5143 of
Where is the
2000.
rejection order? Annexure?
Annexure 5, man.
5.
The relevant portion is at page 35.
What are the offenses?
My lord, so far as
6 of the
altogether
OPID Act. You have received instruction in the matter.
No, first time.
Oh, first time it's coming. So get the case diary and other instruction about the antecedent. Are the land counsel for the petitioner and Mr. Patra, land special counsel appearing for the state of Orissa in OPID Act matter. Mr. Patra submits that he may be given some time to obtain the case diary and also to obtain instruction regarding criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner. Put up this matter on such and such date. Instruction be obtained.
The name of the Mr. Bhuya along with
the name of Mr. Vivekanand Bhuya and Mr. Patra be reflected in the cause distance report. Will come on 17/5/2024. Yes.
Item 4.
My lordship, this petition was heard on 23/4/2024.
Yeah.
As my lordship has been pleased to deposit the amount of ₹85,100 in the before the branch manager of the Central Cooperative Bank, Bahalda branch, Mayurbhanj. My lordship, on 25/4/2024, I have deposited the said amount, my lordship, and the memo has been filed along with the receipt.
Where is that memo? Where is that receipt? Yes, what do you say?
My lord, sir, we have also not received any receipts, my lord. He has not submitted any receipts to that effect. Pursuant to your lordship's order,
He has filed for the court.
23/4/2024, order number 2.
No, okay, please hand over the copy of this receipt and so on. So this memo and along with the copy. Xerox copy kari main. है ना? हाँ, सीधी तरह.
My lordship, we have supplied this. And memo on 29th April 2024.
No, it is available in the court record. The Land and Council said that it has not been supplied to him. That is his grievance order. So let him go on. He has deposited that amount.
Well,
Please hand over this. Heard the Land and Council for the petitioner, Mr. M.S. Rizvi, Land and Additional Standing Counsel for the Vigilance Department. It appears that earlier the petitioner approached this court for anticipatory bail in ABLAPL number 2667 of 2016. And as per the order dated 11/4/2016, the same was disposed of with observation that in the event the petitioner deposits an amount of ₹85,100 with the branch manager, Central Cooperative Bank, Bahalda branch, Mayurbhanj, within 2 weeks, he shall be released on bail by the IO. And it was further observed that if the petitioner defaults in making payment, he would not be entitled to the benefit of the said order. When the matter was taken off on 23/4/2014, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. A.K. Ota, submitted that the petitioner couldn't comply the order dated 11/4/2016, passed in ABL APL number 2667 of 2016, and now the petitioner is ready and willing to comply the said order and deposit a sum of rupees 85,100 before the branch manager, Central Cooperative Bank, Bahalda branch, Mayurbhanj. This court directed the Land Council for the asked the Land Council for the petitioner to produce the deposit slip of such deposit, giving copy thereof to Mr. Rizvi, Land Additional Standing Counsel for the Vigilance Department. The Land Council has filed a memo with the deposit slip showing deposit of rupees 85,100. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the respective parties, the fact that the petitioner has deposited the amount in question, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on anticipatory bail. Prayer is allowed.
Lordship, may direct him to cooperate with the investigation.
Now, the charge sheet has already been submitted.
Investigation completed.
So, had Mr. Ashit Kumar Utta, liquidator, and counsel appearing through virtual High Court, Mayurbhanj at Baripada. Yes, allowed.
Grateful.
It's my
Item 5. Item 6.
May it please, ma'am. Lordship, the alleged offences are under section 120B, 420, 409 of IPC, reduced section 4, 5 and 6 of the Price Chills, Money Circulation and Banning Act, Lordship. Lordship, the
You
petitioner
are in
is
custody since when?
4th of February 2019, my lord.
What is the stage of trial? Yes.
Lordship, the witnesses are being examined and the particular number of witnesses, as on that, I don't have any instruction, Lordship. But
You are supposed to place the case today. Why didn't you obtain instruction from the council, local council, whosoever is conducting the case about the... Yes, Mr. Nayak, have you got any instruction to that effect?
Your Lordships, I spoke to the IO Ranu today in the morning. He said that the trial has already started. Witnesses are examined regularly. He will ask the PP and get back how many witnesses are left and how many have been examined, including the deposition copies, Your
Right, I'm
Lordships.
keeping it on 17th. Take proper data about the learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 4 to 2019, but he has got no concrete information regarding the stage of the trial and how many witnesses have been examined. Mr. Nayak, special public prosecutor appearing for the CBI, submits that he may be given some time to apprise this court about the stage of the trial and number of witnesses being examined. Put up this matter on 17th May 2024.
And in similar case, Your Lordships had asked the petitioner to file a comprehensive list of antecedents. So he may file an affidavit how many criminal antecedents are there, Your Lordships.
No, have
Because
you got instruction to that effect?
Because in petition he has said that there is no criminal antecedents. So he may file an affidavit.
If you have got any evidence to counter the same, you can bring it to the notice of this court. That
I have asked them, may also file because there are cases registered all over India, Your Lordship. Some of the information might not be with me also.
So you are getting the time till 17th, Mr. Nayak. Please find out if there is any other case, because he has mentioned that it is all right. Take down that the learned counsel for the petitioner has mentioned in which paragraph he has mentioned that no criminal antecedent.
I'll read from the petition. Paragraph number, Your Lordships.
no, my lord, it is not there in the application.
All right. The learned counsel for the special public prosecutor shall obtain instruction regarding criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner in the meantime. All right.
Yes.
Lordship, 17th.
17th.
Published.
Item 8.
Yes, Mr.
My lord, on behalf of Mr. Manap Kumar Das, my lord. The
Yes.
last occasion, Lordship directed to file the genuineness of the documents of the bailor, my lord. Already we have filed, my lord. On 24/4/2024.
24. So, Mr. Tripathi.
Will take instruction.
Lordship, in the sub-item in the Kuldeep Rawat, Mr. Abbas Manti is in accommodation, so I request.
It's all right. The learned counsel for the state in first one 7980 of 20 submit that as per the order dated so and so, the names, address and documents of two local sureties have already been furnished to the land council for the state for verification. Land council for the state submit that he has received the same and seek some time to obtain instruction. put up this matter on 17th of May 2024. Yes, and the
Much.
second one you write that mention is made on behalf of Mr. Avash Manti for adjournment. That is also 17/5/2024.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item 9.
Mr. Mahapatra.
Your Lordship was pleased to call for the copy of the deposition because I supplied some of the witnesses deposition and Your Lordship wants whether two witnesses
The order
which
dated, Mr. Mahapatra.
23/4/24.
Non-counsel counsel is grounded to renew the after examination of eyewitness Roshan Yadav and Rakesh Srivastav. Rakesh Srivastav has been examined as PW3. Is not sure whether Roshan Yadav has been examined or not. Status report be called for and deposition copy. Now it has come, Mr. Mahapatra. Yes. And the report is that out of 41 charge sheet witnesses, 10 witnesses have been examined. And Rakesh Srivastav has also been examined, cross-examined, and discharged as PW3. And Roshan Yadav has been declined by the prosecution on 21/4/2020. And now the case is posted to 14/5. Someone has been issued to one charge sheet witness number 17, Marianis Aind, and that is so that is the stage now.
So out of the two witnesses which Your Lordship pointed out in the earlier order.
Which order? Earlier order, no? DLAPL number?
That is 431 of 2021.
DLAPL number 431 of 21.
Just okay. Learned counsel for the state, on the other hand, produce the case diary and place the statements of eyewitnesses Roshan Yadav and Rakesh Yadav.
Rakesh Srivastav.
Rakesh Srivastav, sorry. In those statements, petitioner as well as the co-accused person Suraj and Nane have been specifically named, and they come along with the other co-accused person who were 15 to 20 in numbers, being armed with different weapons, assaulted the deceased. Postmortem report indicates sustained as many as 14 injuries on different parts of the body. Head injury was opined to be the cause of death. Okay, so that is the reason why the bail was refused on 17/2/2021, and liberty was granted to renew the prayer after examination of
those two.
One has been examined as
PW3, my lord.
That is
Rakesh
Srivastav, right? So and
he has supported the prosecution case at the outset, I will say.
And Roshan is declined. So what is the date of custody?
Date of custody, my lord, is 12/6/2020.
So is a man from
Raulkela, my lord.
Yes, any other criminal antecedent?
No, my lord.
Are the learned counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state? Mr. Mahapatra, learned senior advocate, submits that when the petitioner earlier approached this court for bail in BLAPL number 431 of 2021, as per order dated 17/2/2021, taking into account the statements of the eyewitnesses Roshan Yadav and Rakesh Srivastav, the bail application was rejected and liberty was granted to renew the prayer for bail after examination of the eyewitnesses in the trial court. In the meantime, Rakesh Srivastav has been examined in the trial court as PW3, and the prosecution has declined to examine eyewitness Roshan Yadav. And since the petitioner is in judicial custody 12/6/2020, and at this stage there is no chance of tampering with the evidence, and there is no criminal antecedent against the petitioner, the bail application may be favorably reconsidered. Status report has been submitted by the London Trial Court, which indicates that out of 41 charge sheet witnesses, 10 witnesses have been examined, And it is also mentioned that Rakesh Srivastava has been examined as PW3 and Roshan Yadav has been declined. Land counsel for the state opposed the prayer for bail. However, submitted on verification of the case record that there is no criminal antecedent against the petitioner. Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the respective parties, the change in the circumstances after rejection of the earlier bail application, the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, slow progress of the trial, and since the petitioner is having no criminal antecedent, I am inclined to reconsider the prayer for bail and direct the petitioner to be released on bail. Appear before the learned trial court on each date. Case should be posted for trial. Shall not indulge in any criminal activities. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail. Allowed.
Obligement. Before parting, may I make a mention, Lordship, for me? I have another matter that is item number 30. In that case, I file a interim application and your Lordship, after perusing the medical documents, directed that you submit the documents who will be the bailer. And I submitted, but unfortunately that was missed from the State Council's file. Today also I supplied the another set of documents that may be taken next to
item number 30, Learning Council for the petitioner has supplied medical documents. In
medical document order thila khali am goital bailor
names, documents, the names, address, and documents of two local sureties to the London Council for the State in Court. Mr. Tripathi, you have received this same, who seeks some time to verify this same. Put up this matter on 17th of May, 2024.
Okay.
Instruction be obtained in the meantime. Yes.
Item 10.
May I please? Last occasion, my lord directed it. So, the IO to examine the eyewitness, which also appear and examine and cross-examination by
Last order is dated 23/4/2024.
Yes, my lord.
Learned counsel for the petition placed the order dated so and so submitted. That order was for the two eyewitnesses, namely so and so, were to be examined. And the inspector in charge of Chaudhar police station with the investigating officer submitted that he would ensure the attendance of the two. Okay. But only Bhagyalata Singh appeared before the land and trial court so and so, and she was examined as PW3. Sujata Manjari Singh has not been examined, and the next date trial is fixed to so and so. Since Ms. Sasmita Khilar, IAC Chaudhar police station, submitted before this court on 5/4/24 that she would ensure the attendance of two eyewitnesses, but only one eyewitness has been produced and examined. Let the IAC produce the other eyewitness, Sujata Manjari Singh, in 29/4 for so and so. Yes, kaun hala?
She has been
examined.
Deposition copy ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
Yes, yes.
କଣ କହିଲେ ଦିଟା ଯାକ eyewitness?
They supported the case.
Supported the case. He has stated in his cross-examination also.
କୋଉ ଲାଇନ୍ ଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା, chief ରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ cross
My lord.
PW4 କୋଉ ଲାଇନ୍ ଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
PW4, my lord, in chief.
What is the name of this petitioner is? Tunna alias Krishna Chandra Sahu.
My lord.
Chief ରେ କୋଉଠି କହିଛି ଆପଣ ବିରୁଦ୍ଧରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
My lord. Second page. In the meanwhile, second line. In the meanwhile, two accused persons came to the spot with another motorcycle. Witness showing towards Krishna Chandra Sahu.
Krishna mane petitioner.
This petitioner said that he is one of among the said person. The Krishna Chandra Sahu showing towards him, open the back door of the car and snatch away the vanity and Mangalsutra from the my sister-in-law of Bhagyalata Singh. And thereafter, when we opposed them, one of the accused pointed towards the Ajo Sahu. So at my brother-in-law, deceased. The accused person also tried to snatch away the gold rings of my husband, but when he resisted and pulled them, they left the spot. Thereafter, in cross-examination, it is a fact I have not stated before the IO. I saw the accused person in the light of the vehicle and can identify them. My lord, since police has not asked about such, therefore I could not stated before them, before the same, for him, prior to do.
No, he stated that I know all the accused person standing in the dock.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
So he's a known person. So what is the problem? What do you say?
In FIR,
Hmm.
the FIR also laws against some unknown culprit.
Acha, and our FIR nahi.
No, anyone person. No TI parade was conducted in this regard also in course of investigation. And 3 eyewitness has been examined, including the
So what is your submission, Mr. Tripathi?
Yes, my lord.
If he knew this accused, he or she knew the accused beforehand, then when this occurrence took place and she was very much present there, and thereafter the FIR was lodged, why it was lodged against unknown person? Why
She does not know them, my lord, at the time of the occurrence. At the court, she pointed out them.
ଆପଣ chief
That was-
examination ର second line ଟା ଦେଖିଲେ? I know all the accused persons standing in the dock
Yes, my lord.
who were committed dockety and murder on such and such day.
In the court, she identified.
Hmm.
I know that.
Acha, if they are not known, and if why then no test identification parade was
That
conducted?
conducted, my lord. That is true. Even if she does not know their name also.
It's all like
She pointed out them. This person committed this crime.
This occurrence took place when 2019,
19.
and now she is examined after 5 years.
Yes,
4 years at least, 4.5 years. Now, for the first time identification in court after 4.5 years, what evidentiary value is to be there? So, why TI parade was not conducted? And what about the other eyewitness?
That is the though
PW3.
PW2, 3.
2, 3. 2 also same time.
No, the eyewitness kada kaun se?
PW2 and PW3.
PW2 is the informant and also eyewitness.
PW2 hela and the informant, the deceased so and so. I know the accused person so and so. Krishna Chandra Sahu. ଏମିତି ଆପଣ କହୁଥିବେ ନା ସାକ୍ଷୀ କହୁଥିବେ ମୁଁ ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ ଜାଣିଛି ବୋଲି ତ ପ୍ରସିକ୍ୟୁସନ କ୍ଲାରିଫାଏ କରିବା କଥା ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲା ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଜାଣିଲା କି କୋଉ ଦିନ ଜାଣିଲେ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଏମିତି ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ରେକର୍ଡ ହଉଛି FIR ଅନନୋନ୍ ଅଛି TI ପ୍ୟାରେଡ୍ ଆପଣ କରିବେ ନାହିଁ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଏ 2 ନମ୍ବର ସାକ୍ଷୀ ବି ଏକ୍ସାମିନ ହେଇଛି କେବେ 2023 ରେ 6/12/2023
ଆଜ୍ଞା
What about PW3? The evidence kind?
It's there, your lordship.
Huh?
Page 10.
Page 10. Bhagpur page 10 ରେ କଣ ଅଛି କହୁଛନ୍ତି? Page 10 କାହାର ଆପଣ କୋଉ କେସ୍ ର page 10?
Evidence.
ଦିଟା କେସ୍ ଅଛି 172 ଗୋଟେ ଆଉ
The second co-accused ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଅଛି ଯେ
PW3 ର ଦେଖି କଣ PW2 ତ ଅଛି PW3 କୁଆଡେ ଗଲା ତାଙ୍କ କପି ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ହଁ it's all just a minute এটা ଏକ but 2 ସେଟା 3 ଠିକ ଅଛି 3 ନାଁ ହଉଛି ଭାଗ୍ୟଲତା ସିଂ informant so and so is my brother-in-law, deceased is my husband. I know all the accused persons standing in the dock. Identify in court so and so. Okay. जो आगुरु बेल application reject ହେଇଥିଲା
yes ma'am withdrawal
କେବେ କୋଉଥିରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଫାଷ୍ଟ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କୃଷ୍ଣଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ସାହୁ ଟୁନା alias କୃଷ୍ଣଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ସାହୁ
9/4/6 of 2021
date of custody ହେଲା
custody my lord
30 seconds
13/11/2019 30/11 30/11/2019
Krishnachandra Sahu.
Krishnachandra Sahu also remanded in this case. He also remanded in this case.
No, 30/11/2019 रे आपण remand ने
Remand.
and there is only one petitioner in this BAPL.
Yes, my lord.
In the post.
What about the next one? That
My lord, next one, I am there. My lord, he also 30/11/2019.
Remand or arrested produced in court?
So it not arrested like Kuchanti remanded on 30/11/19 in the charge sheet.
ठीक है.
Okay.
And what are the offences under which charge sheet submitted?
394, 397, 302 and 25/27.
394, 397,
302.
Yes.
And read with 25/27 Arms Act, my lord.
So there are eyewitnesses are 3 in number.
Yes.
3. So 2 PW 2, 3 and 4.
My lord.
What is the name of the deceased?
This is Lala Lalit Kumar Singh.
FIR against unknown person.
Yes,
Unknown
your lordship.
No TI period has been conducted.
No TI period.
What about the criminal antecedent, Mr. Tripathi?
One is having 12 and another is 16.
So-
Habitual offender there.
What do you
My lord, that your lordship had taken care of in the second one, that he was on bail on all the applications that was considered in the last bail application, my lord. In the last bail application of the second petitioner, my lord, in the second case, my lord, that he was granted bail in all the matters, and a comprehensive affidavit was then filed in that matter in the previous bail application.
No. What are those? What is the comprehensive affidavit?
My lord, we had filed in the previous bail
So
application.
how can I take it into account here?
My lord, I had taken.
File comprehensive affidavit.
I also my patent also be filed
in this bail
in this bail application, my lord.
Where is that?
I have also given
172 रे comprehensive affidavit अछि देखो. What type of cases, Mr. Tripathi?
392, 397, 379 history seater.
They are all.
Hypers. Hypers custody arrested there.
Remain there for after. Let us see this. Let the election be over. We'll see that. Put up this matter after summer vacation.
Gratefully, lordship.
Yes, next.
Item 11.
May I please, Your Lordship? Last observation, Your Lordship has directed to verify the local surety address verification. Address verification.
Colleague, Mr. Tripathi.
Let it come on 17.
17.
Yes.
Land Council for the state seeks some further time to obtain instruction on the local sureties whose documents and were furnished to him by the Land Council for the petition as per the order dated 23/4/2024. Put up this matter on 17/5/2024.
Your Lord.
Item 12.
May I please, Your Lordship? In this case, my lord, the present petitioner filed an interim application to showing his readiness and willingness to settle the dispute.
Please use the mic properly. Interim application कौन ପାଇଁ file କରିଛନ୍ତି?
Interim application has been filed to settle the dispute with the informers as well as the vendors. The petitioner purchased the land from a vendor and thereafter made registered sale deeds in favor of the informers. Thereafter made constructions. What happens, my lord? the property which has been purchased by the present petitioner, there is some interposed dispute between the petitioner and the vendors, so far as the payment of the sale consideration amount. And to that effect, the vendors filed a civil suit to cancellation of the sale deeds, and ultimately the sale deed which has been cancelled by the order of the civil court. Thereafter, my lord, the present petitioners present petitioner prior to that filing an interim application with this honorable court for taking the old ailing mother for bypass surgery. During the period of 1 month of an interim bail period, the present petitioner contacted the vendors and the informants and ready and willingness to pay the sale consideration amount that is fixed 1 crore 21 lakhs nowadays. And to that effect, during 1 month of interval period, the present petitioner has already paid 15 lakhs to the vendors to settle the dispute. So far as the sale deed will be restored and the property of the funds are secured, the title dispute will be cleared. And the petitioner is now ready and willingness to make the payment of the vendors, so entire amount to the vendors. So far as the sale deed will be restored and the
No. Have you filed any affidavit to that effect that you have paid 15
yes,
lakhs?
yes, I have annexed the documents in DD, demand draft. Annexure, the
that?
copy of the indenture agreement and dated 30/2023, demand draft dated 29/2023.
Affidavit you have filed?
Yes.
BL appeal number 1008. Okay. What affidavit you have filed? I, along with the informants so and so, petition was released on so and so, contacted the landowner, sale date number so and so. Relevant to the petition of purchase the patch of land, acha. 15 lakh टंका already paid, acha. By way of demand draft, okay. Cancel sale date so and so to clear of this. So, what is the, how do you propose to clear up the rest of the amount?
After releasing few months of interim bail, I will ready to make
ଯାଇଥିଲେ ପରା
1 month, only 1 month. During 1 month, I would arrange
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ସମୁଦାୟ ଟଙ୍କା ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ 1 କୋଟି କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା
1 crore 21 lakhs.
1 crore 21 ଲାଖରୁ ଆପଣ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି 15 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଜମା ତ ବାକି 1 crore 6 lakhs rupees ରହିଛି ତେଣୁ କେମିତି ଦେବେ ତାକୁ କୋଉ ଦିନ ଦେବେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ତାକୁ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ କରି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
I would make
not ମୌଖିକ ହେଲେ ହବନି
no, Lord, I am submitting
by way of an affidavit you so that it will be deposited and then it would be a condition bail. One default bail will be cancelled, will be taken back to custody. File an affidavit how you propose to, your client propose to clear up the balance amount of rupees 1,06,000, 6 lakh, 1 crore 6 lakhs. Okay.
Lord, he is inside custody since the year 2000.
ଆପଣ proposal ଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ହିସାବରେ ଇଏ କରିବେ ସେମାନେ instruction ନେବେ ତାପରେ ହବ an affidavit has been filed by petitioner number 1. ये की है Maheshwar Sahu की
petitioner
by petitioner Maheshwar Sahu नहीं तो এটা affidavit file करছি
ତା wife fail କରିଛି
এটা affidavit কোন অমিয় কুমার পটনায়ক ফাইল করছি
অমিয় কুমার পটনায়ক the informant my lord
হ্যাঁ
informant they also know that
yeah that you have the petitioner refund
yes
about so balance amount रे file करिवे आपण Maheshwar Sahu is to file
yes sir
लिखो an affidavit has been filed by the informant he is the one of the informant
only
one of the informant wherein it is indicated that during the interim bail period the petitioner expressed his readiness and willingness to settle the dispute and paid rupees 15 lakhs to the landowner by way of demand draft. And also assured to pay the rest sale consideration amount. The land counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is ready and willing to clear off the entire dues, entire balance dues of rupees 1 crore 6 lakhs. Let an affidavit to that effect be filed indicating on the installment basis how the petitioner would clear up that amount. Copy of the same be served on the land counsel for the, you are appearing for
Informant.
for the informants also the state
The High Court
put up this matter. Mr.
AG officer was
Parthosarathi Naik, land counsel for the informant is present. Mr. J.P. Patra, land counsel appearing for the state of Orissa in UPID Act matter is also present. So it will come on 17th. In the meantime, you do the needful, file the affidavit indicating on what date you are to give what amount. Hello? Yes.
obviously.
Item 13.
Yes, Mr. Pradhan.
So last order. 19/4/2024 order.
Here the status report submitted by Swansu, which mentioned that 37 prosecution witnesses have been examined and prosecution has furnished a list of sworn Swacha. More, how Panchavan Dasaki. Petition submitted will file a phrase cost title indicating the present address of the petitioner and his family has been shifted from Madhya Pradesh to Rajasthan. Okay. Land Special Public Prosecutor appearing for CBI submitted that he has received the names and address and documents of 2 local sureties from the Land and Council for the petitioner and sought for instruction which is awaited and this some more time may be granted. Okay, Mr. Naik, what is your instruction about those 2 local sureties?
Your Lordships, I spoke to the IO who had investigated the matter. His name is Ranu Chaudhary.
Yes.
We sent one police constable. His name is Basant Kumar Jena. Basant Kumar Jena, your Lordships, went to their village to verify the 2 sureties. One name is Basant Kumar Naik, care of Brundavan Naik, and the second is Vijay Kumar Sahoo, care of BC Sahoo, Kharija, Khurda, your Lordships. Now, this Basant Kumar Naik, on instructions I am submitting with responsibility, this Basant Kumar Naik and Vijay Kumar Sahoo, both your Lordships are professional bailer. And he has spoken to the villagers, Mittu Naik and Ranjan Maharana, the villagers of Bairakpur. They said that both of them, your Lordships, take money and they are bailers. Their job is to, your Lordships, be professional bailers. And these 2 people, those who have given, have told the CBI constable, their name, your Lordships, is Mittu Naik and Ranjan Maharana. They both are villagers of that village only, your Lordships. This is what instructions I have received.
No, you file that instruction and also obtain instruction that in how many cases they have been, they are the bailers.
Yes, your Lordships.
Because in our outsider man may go away, so that is the apprehension that. So,
but Lordship may give me time, some reasonable time, because
professional bailers merely saying that would not do, but you are to say that what are those cases in which they have taken the accused persons on bail.
Yes, yes. Yes, your Lordships. Lordship may...
Yes, Mr. Pradhan. ଭଲ ବେଲର ମିଳିଲାନି ଆପଣ?
I'll check it. I'll check it. I'll also obtain
Mr. Sarthak Naik, London Special Public Prosecutor for CBI, submitted that on instruction that the names of after receiving the names, address and documents of 2 local sureties, namely Bashant Kumar Naik and Vijay Kumar Sahoo, he has obtained instruction that those 2 bailers are professional bailers and he will collect further data in how many cases they have taken bail. Different cases they have taken bail for different accused persons. and the matter may be taken up on some other day. Put up this matter on 17th May 2024. Yes.
Your Lordships, can it be a date after 17th May, Your Lordships?
That is the last day working day, maybe on 2021, but we are taking up this tied up matter on only on Friday. Other days, the other bench is functioning. It is not possible. Yes, next.
Item 14.
Item 13, today I have taken appearance. It's a consistent matter. I have not the petition copy and other documents of
You want adjournment?
adjournment with the along with the copy of the petition I have not received.
You want the court to supply registry?
Yes.
Where is your appearance memo and or wakalatnama? Kebe file kale bhinama?
On 19/10/2020.
Record rashi. No, it's Smriti Ranjan Rao. না এটা মান্য নয় সেটা কজ লিস্টে না আছে କେତେ ନମ୍ବର ଏଇଟା 14 ହଁ ଏସଆର ରାଉତ ଅଛି ଆଉ acha Glenn Council submits that the beef has been transferred to him, but he's not having the copy of the BLAPL, and registry may be asked to supply the same to him. Let the registry supply the copy of the bail application BLAPL to the Land Council, Mr. Raut, by 7th of May 2024. Mr. Sarthak Naik, Lenin, Special Public Prosecutor, CBI is present. Put up this matter. Give a date. Yes.
But sir, 25 is also connected matter. Let both the matters come on the same date.
This matter is connected to 25.
Yes, Lordships.
25, some other councillor there now, or you are there, Acha. Put up this matter along with. It arises out of same case, Mr. Naik?
Same.
Okay.
Yes, Your Lord.
Put up this matter along with item number 25. Copy of BLAPL be supplied.
No, along with all.
Yes, along with
all annexes.
Copy of the bail application along with all the annexures be supplied. Yes.
Oblige.
Item 15.
May I please, my lord, on behalf of Mr. S.K. Devedi, kindly 2 weeks after, because my seniors fatherly passed away. Has passed away.
Yes.
Mr. Bapanko expired for this.
Acha. Mention is made on behalf of Mr. Divedi seeking for adjournment on the ground that there is a bereavement in the family. You want it after summer vacation?
Yes.
After summer vacation. Yes.
I'm appearing for informant.
Acha, the land, Mr. Abhijit Patnaik, Land Council for the informant is present. Yes.
Oh, bless me.
Item 16.
May I please, Lordship? My lord, I have already filed the documents, surety documents, my lord, and your lordship was pleased to direct to obtain instruction whether that
item number 16.
My lord.
Your name? Acha.
S.K.Sahoo.
So, local surety document ଦେଇଥିଲେ?
Yes, my lord.
କଣ ହେଲା?
On 17, my lord. I have
You
already
have already sought for instruction.
Yes.
Mr. Tripathi, Land Council, appearing for the state, submitted that after receiving the documents up to local sureties, he has already sought for instruction for its verification, but it is awaited and the matter may be taken up on some other day. Put up this matter on 17/5/2024. এটা ଗୋଟେ କୋଉ କେସ୍ ର ରହିଗଲା ଏଠି ଏଟା ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ କପିଟା PW4 ଇସ ହଁ ଯାଇ ସେ ରେକର୍ଡ ରଖ ତ ହଁ
Item 17.
17 also Suryakant Trivedi, so you want adjournment? Okay, same after summer vacation.
Oh, bless my lord.
Item 18.
May I please, my lord?
Petitioner is in custody since 21/2020. My lord, may kindly have a glance to last order. My lord has directed for
Last order is 23/4/2024. Land Council for the petitioner drew the attention of this court to the order dated so and so, wherein it was directed to the inspector in charge of Pipli Police Station to appear before the Land and Trial Court to receive summons in respect of 4 eyewitnesses to the occurrence, ensure their attendance on the date fixed. While the order does so and so, no witness was present. IIC to not complied with that as it may, IIC shall ensure the attendance of 4 eyewitnesses: Kailash Chandra Sahu, Rabindra Sahu, Ananta Sahu, Pavitra Sahu. कौन है?
So far my instruction is concerned, out of that 4, no witnesses are examined, only one.
Where is that IIC?
Rabindra Sahu has been examined.
Pipli Police Station, Mr.
Yes,
Tripathi.
my lord. The date is fixed to 8, my lord.
No, there was a direction that
Yes,
if
yes,
you
that too.
don't produce the eyewitnesses, contempt proceedings shall be initiated against the IIC. On 30/4 आपनको produce करियार थिला. गोटे साकी तो ही गलानी.
Only one.
Rabindra Sahu.
Again.
Other witnesses could not be produced as they are not available in the village. 2/5/24 रे return करले. Also appeared before the IIC. Summons from the trial court and the witnesses so and so 8 तारीख रे साक्षी अछि. ठीक अछि. लेखन Land Council for the state produce the written instruction received from IIC Pipli Police Station dated 2/5/2024. As per order dated 23/4/2024, IIC Pipli Police Station was directed to ensure the attendance of 4 eyewitnesses, namely so and so, before the Land and Trial Court positively. Stop. In the IIC has intimated in his letter dated 2/5/2024 that on 29/4/2024 only one witness, Rabindra Sahu, was produced in the trial court and he deposed. He gave his evidence. So far as the other eyewitnesses are concerned, since they were not available in the village, they could not be produced, and now they have returned to village on 2/5/2024, and they will produce on the next date, which is that is on 8/4/2024, before the Land and Trial Court for recording of their evidence. A written instruction is taken on record. Put up this matter on 17/5/2024. If the aforesaid 4 witnesses are examined, Land and Council for the petitioner shall produce the certified copy of their deposition after serving the copies thereof on the Land Council for the state as well as Land Council for the informant. You are appearing for the informant.
Item 19.
Item 19 I may be permitted, my lords. I may permitted through VSC, my lords.
Yes.
My lords, previously by the order dated 10/11/2023, Lordship had called for a status report from the Land Trial Court, my lords. That is there at flag K of your Lordship's file, my lords, which shows that out of 36 charge-sheeted witnesses, 5 have been examined. And in addition to that, I have supplied one because in the meantime, one more witness has been examined. and that is at flag B of the Lordship's file. Sixth witness I have already supplied, my lords. The Lordship had called for report, so deposition copies of 5 witnesses had come, and copies of both all the deposition copies were served on the state, so also to me, my lords. And on the last occasion, my lords, the Learned State Council submitted that he has not received the case diary. For that reason, my lords, the case was adjourned to today, my lords. And he is in custody since 17 March 2021, my lords. More than 3 years and some months, my lords.
On the last occasion, my lord, obtained instruction regarding one IU was filed by the petitioner on 379 of 2024 regarding the element of the namely Rabindra Sethi was the maternal grandfather, my lord. Regarding that, the IIC sent the instruction that petitioner present address was not found, my lord. Present address was not found. Grandfather. One IU was filed by the petitioner.
से मेरिट कथा कोन से आईए छडन
Yes.
से मेरिट रे बर्तन आर्गुमेंट करचंती जे he has remained in custody since 17/3/2021.
My lord.
My lords.
Trial court has given the status report wherein it is indicated that out of 36 charge sheet witnesses, 5 witnesses been examined.
My lord.
One more has been examined, so total number of witnesses 6.
My lord.
And the deposition copies are available with you.
My lord.
So any witness examined so far
In this
has
case,
stated.
IIC on the morning, today morning, I have already contact with the IIC, my lord. He was in law and order duty, engaged in a law and order duty, so that 1 week time may be given to send the CTCA, my lord.
Case diary painandi?
No, my lord.
Because you are to verify the case diary and say
My lord.
that if any material witnesses have been left out, that is number 1.
My lord.
Number 2, एपर्यंत जो 6 जन साक्षी हेई गलेनी सेमाने किछि या विरुद्ध रे कहिसन कि कोन एटा भी वेरीफाई करिवे. So what is the offense here, Mr.
302, my lords.
302.
My lord.
302, your lordship.
302. आउ के material witness अछंती ना हेई गलेनी सब.
Good. From the out of the 6 witnesses examined, my lords, 5 and 6 are the vital witnesses, my lords. They have not stated anything, my lords. 5 and 6, they are material witnesses, my lords. They were present.
आउ के रहिचंती.
There are some others, my lords. Fairly, my lords, there are some others.
आगुर कोन केस बास अछि केतरा केस?
No antecedent, my lords. No antecedent.
Record painandi. You have not received the case diary. So get it case diary and see that. He is now moving on merit. So leave it that IA, IA number 379 of 2024. Though this is this application for interim bill, and counsel for the petition doesn't want to praise this application, disposed of. Learning period the status report furnished by the Learning Trial Court, wherein it is indicated that out of 36 charge sheet witnesses, 5 witnesses have been examined. Stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner, however, submitted. One more witness has been examined. And the petitioner is in judicial custody since 17/3/2021. And counsel for the state submits that the IAC is IAC or IO ka kotha
IIC, my lord.
IAC.
IIC Balaram Gadi Marine Police Station, my lord.
IIC Balaram Gadi Marine Police Station is busy in law and order duty, and the matter may be taken up on some other day, so that you will.
No, that is not there. Orally, your lordship are directed because he is in case was filed in May 2023, my lords. A long way back and
Right. Yes, next.
Item 20.
Item 20, Mr. Jafrullah.
That he has granted interim bail.
Hmm.
The lordship has called for the report that the witnesses, 9 witnesses have been examined so far. My lord, the lordship last order, my lordship directed the state to obtain instruction as to that has misutilised the liberty. Not that.
Last.
Your Lordship, we had been directed to file the surrender certificate, Your Lordship. In the meantime, Your Lordship, instructions had also been sought for as to the annexures pertaining to the medical documents filed by the petitioner, Your Lordship. Annexures pertaining to the medical status of the wife of the petitioner, Your Lordship. Health condition of wife of the petitioner.
No, have you filed their surrender certificate?
Yes, Your Lordship, I have just
Land
filed the
counsel for the
certified.
petitioner filed the surrender certificate, which is taken on record. You have filed another interim bail application.
No, Your Lordship, in the same interim bail, Your Lordship, two annexures had been given. First was on the account of marriage of the daughter of the petitioner. That is why Your Lordships had been pleased to release the petitioner for 15 days, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
Thereafter, Your Lordship, in that same interim application, Your Lordship had sought for instructions as to the veracity.
Okay, what instruction you have received? Hey, So your wife is staying at Visakhapatnam.
Yes, Your Lordship, she's going for treatment over there.
How he will verify now? Is not available in the locality. He has gone to some other place.
Yes, Your Lordship, because in
So
the
do you
meantime,
expect that he will go of one place to another, search your wife? So you must.
no, Your Lordship, because in the meantime, her health has deteriorated, so she had to be shifted.
What documents you have filed regarding the ailment?
Your Lordship, we have filed the prescriptions of Apollo Hospital, Visakhapatnam only, Your Lordship.
You see, those documents are of 2023.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You just now said that he had been to Visakhapatnam Apollo Hospital for some kind of treatment.
The wife
So,
had been there.
huh?
The wife had been there. The petition.
Right, that
Yes.
wife has been gone. So where are those documents? You are these documents. You see the date of the medical.
Yes, Your Lordship. These are
all
old documents. Yes.
August 2023.
Because Your Lordship, it's a continuing ailment, Your Lordship.
It's all right if you are visiting the hospital. Your wife, you mean your wife is visiting the hospital getting treatment. So you should. There would be no difficulty in producing the same. So that the this IIC can have interaction with the Apollo Hospital authorities, maybe through virtual mode, and get instruction on that. But provide the up-to-date that latest medical document.
Your Lordship, I'll file the same, Your Lordship, within a day, Your Lordship.
All right. The medical documents which have been filed along with the interim application are of August 2023. The Lion Counsel for the petitioner submitted that wife of the petitioner is regularly visiting Apollo Hospital for her treatment and will file some recent medical papers relating to her, she will file relating to her treatment and put up this matter on 17. अच्छा এইটা লিখি দেবে. Land Counsel for the state has produced the written instruction received from IIC Town Police Station Balangir that the wife of the petitioner is found absent and it was reported that is residing at Vishakhapatnam, for which the ailment condition could not be verified. The written instruction is taken on record. Baki tapar seta lekhini put of this matter on 17th May 2024.
Much obliged.
Yes.
Item 23.
Madam, on behalf of Akshay Kumar Sahoo, let it come on next week any date, madam. I supply the deposition copy, madam.
Next week it is not possible. On 17th it will come.
Madam, I have supplied the deposition copy.
The Land Counsel for the petitioner supplied the deposition copies to the Land Counsel for the state in court today and further seeks for an adjournment put of this matter on 17/5/2024.
Okay.
Item 24.
May I please your lordship? My lord, I may be pardoned, I am in virtual.
Yes.
Lordship, to recollect, lordship, in this matter, the accused is already in custody for more than 9 years. 9 years, almost 1 month. Lordship had a direction about the status of the case. Even though charge sheet has been submitted, no final charge sheet has been submitted, and no charge has been framed as. And the lordship directed in the order dated 15/12/2023 about the status report. So the status report has already come to on court's record. So my consideration that the offences, the charge sheet submitted the 420, 408 and 409. Let's say all the offences are punishable for 7 years. That is already 9 years. And the only offense that is 409, which is the subject matter of material crime.
Your submission which you has been made in 15/12/2023.
My lord.
You are in judicial custody since 25/3/2015.
Yes, my lord.
And you made a submission that no charge has been framed.
Yes.
And
that same status
for a report from the status report. And what is the status report then?
Your lordships, just 1 second, I would like to interject. Your lordship, last date of hearing the matter was listed for interim bail application.
No.
If your lordship, just sir, allow me to complete. Interim bail application was listed and sir was quoting some Manish Sisodia's judgment, if I exactly remember. Your lordships went through that Manish Sisodia's judgment. Then sir wanted to place the interim bail application.
No, I don't want to place that judgment.
Please. Number 1685 of 2023 is an application for interim bail. Mr. Manas Mahapatra, senior advocate, doesn't want to place this application. Application is disposed of as not placed. Yes. About merit, what do you say, Mr. You are in custody since 2015. And it is mentioned that 6 charge sheet was filed. Supplementary final report reveals that the case is still continuing investigation. Achha.
No charge been framed as.
Charge could not be framed as. You are right.
Right. Then, my lord, the co-accused persons are already been released.
How many times your bail application has been rejected by this court?
My lord, once. This is the second round. And the first application which was rejected, it was a technical rejection without the dealing on merit. While disposing the interim application made before my lord. So the order detected and the main application is.
No, that was in BLAPL number
3136 to 2018.
3136 of 2018. And you are an outsider or what?
My lord, I belong to Kolkata. And I am still in Kolkata jail, specially.
You are Asha, West Bengal. Yes, this address is correct, Mr. Naik?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I'm asking Mr. Please unmute yourself, Mr. Naik. There is, you have muted yourself.
Lordship, the address is correct.
So what do you say? 2015, 9 years is going to.
Your Lordship, I want to argue the matter. In the same matter, if your Lordships will remember, your Lordships, this Gautam Kundu is the co-accused of that Srikant Mohta, your Lordships will remember, whose name came in money trail, and your Lordships had rejected that bail application thrice. Last time Kapil Sibal argued. This is that case, Lordships. And your Lordships is absolutely aware about the background of the case, how this person looted 17,000 crores and 9,000 crores is yet to be repaid. My respectful submission before the Honorable Court is that, your Lordship, the delay as far as the trial is concerned is absolutely not attributable to the prosecution, number one. Number two, your Lordships, pendency of further investigation under 173(8) is not a bar for the trial to start. If further investigation is pending,
why your public prosecutor is not placing those things before the trial court to
the trial court just knows innumerable number of cases, your Lordships, where further investigation is pending. Only the additional witnesses will be added. What prevented the trial court judge from framing charges, your Lordships, may kindly ask?
It is not being done. It is not being done. The prosecutor should have said that.
The same case, your Lordships, in ED matter in Kolkata, the Kolkata High Court, your Lordships, in rejection order dated 31/3/2000. Can I place some judgments before your Lordships?
No, we are not on. We are just on the ground.
On merits, the Calcutta High Court
on delay in commencement of the trial.
In the same case, the Calcutta High Court has held in an ED matter which is connected to this affair, that if the delay is not attributable to the prosecution, the benefit should not be given to him. Your Lordship may read it in this matter itself. Lordship, I am giving a compilation.
In this case, to whom you say that the delay is attributable?
Lordship, I am giving a compilation of judgments of 60 pages.
No, is the accused is responsible for the delay? You will go on filing charge sheet one after another charge sheet.
Your Lordships, if
accused is in custody for 9 years.
Your Lordships,
that the accused will linger or remain in custody for indefinite period.
Your Lordship, now also, your Lordships, 100 more crores have been added. And the
100 crores add we are on a very limited thing that how much period an accused will remain in custody without trial, without a single witness being examined.
Your Lordship, there are two
options.
Either your Lordships will direct the trial court to start the trial, or they may move an application. How we are responsible, your Lordships? He should not take the benefit, your Lordships.
Are the learned counsel for the petitioner learned counsel, Mr.
Lordships, I want to place some statements. Then your Lordship may pass an order. Lordship may kindly see some statements. What he has done.
No, I am not.
Lordship may pass any order, but Lordship may kindly peruse those statements for a moment. Statement only one statement your Lordship may read kindly.
I am granting interim bail to him.
No, your Lordship may read it. What he has done, your Lordship may read it. Then your Lordship may pass any order. Lordship, I am placing some statements. Lordship may read it for 2 minutes. Then your Lordship may pass any order.
I am not granting bail on merit, Mr. Counsel. I am granting bail because of the delay disposal.
Why he doesn't interim bail also, your Lordship may read those statements. Then your Lordship may pass. Lordship may kindly for 2 minutes. Yes. Let me allow your Lordship to place it. Yes. Then your Lordship pass any orders. Your Lordship, my junior is placing.
I'm asking that about the delay. I just want to.
No, despite delay also, it doesn't deserve what he's doing. Your Lordship may read his conduct. Lordship, for a moment, Lordship may read his conduct.
Yes.
Lordship may, I have not deliberately filed it. Your Lordship may kindly come to the statements I have given. Your Lordship has the statement, 27 statements.
I'm not going to allow him the bail application on merit. I'm just on about the delayed disposal.
On interim bail also, your Lordships, Lordship, my respectful submission would be, your Lordship may kindly read these statements, then your Lordship may pass any order. Lordship may reserve the order, because these are very, very sensitive things, your Lordships, what he has done, which I cannot even quote, your Lordships. These are part of case record, CD. If your Lordships will see his conduct, what he's trying to do, your Lordship may read it. Your Lordship may reserve the order, may pass any order. But my request is,
you cannot compel me to reserve the order.
No. I'm requesting your Lordships to go through it first. Then your Lordship may pass the order.
Yes.
The statements, your Lordship, what he has done, your Lordship, I cannot even open court. Lordship may read his conduct.
Cannot open the court in open court, then remain as such.
No, I filed it, your Lordship. I have filed it.
You cannot read it in open court, then remain silent.
Your Lordship wants me to read it.
It is an open court. It is an open court. You have to argue the matter.
Your Lordship, I'm reading it.
That I cannot read it in open court.
I'm reading it, Your Lordships. If Your Lordships is asking me to read, I'm reading it, Your Lordships. Lordship, may kindly come to the statement of Habibul Ali.
Yes.
That starts from para 15 to 16, Your Lordships.
Yeah.
May I read, Your Lordships?
Yes.
So I'm coming to it. Lordships, para 14 I'm reading. I further state that February 2021 and on 17
Which page?
Page 14, Your Lordships may read.
Page 14.
Page 14, it starts with paragraph 3rd, page 14. On 17/7/2021, I visited Bhubaneswar jail and met Srimati Kundu for signature on Wakalatnama. That time I told Subra Kundu that I will arrange a lawyer for the regular bail, but for that huge amount of money
I'm
is
not
required
getting
to
that, Mr. Counsel. It is where from you getting? Counsel. Yes.
Page 14, Your Lordships.
Who is this DSP?
DSP is investigating the matter, Your Lordships.
Yes. What he has written?
I want to place the statement of Habibul Ali, Your Lordships. Page 13, it starts.
Yes.
Lordships, on being asked about the Mercedes bench that accused, Your Lordships. Lordship, it only last 4 paragraphs just to show his conduct, Your Lordships. How to what level they can stoop down, Your Lordships. On 17/7/2021, I visited Bhubaneswar jail and met Srimati Kundu for signature on Wakalatnama. That time I told Subra Kundu that I will arrange a lawyer for her regular bail, but for that huge amount of money is required to meet the legal expenses. Then she told me that she will contact her friend who is the jewelry business. Then her friend will hand over the money to me. On being asked, I state that my motive behind helping her was just to convince her to get the clue of parking of money, but she did not call me, and in the meantime, she came out on interim bail. I further state that the lawyer Srimati Kundu, then Your Lordship may read it. What he has, I don't want to read it.
That is why.
Yes. I don't want to read it, Your Lordships. Lordship may.
Okay.
And I did not file it also, Your Lordships, in registry because I wanted to directly hand it over due to some reason.
Okay. Mr. So-and-so, Mr. Place the statement of S.K. Habibul Ali.
Yes.
Which is recorded by DSP CBI Kolkata. After perusing this statement, let this matter be placed before some other bench. Yes.
Oblige, Your Lordships.
That matter, Subra, is considered by Justice M. This matter will be listed some other court.
Next.
Oblige.
Item 26.
Please, my lord. My lord, here the petitioner is languishing jail custody near about 7 years, and he was arrested on 1/9/2017. My lord earlier dealt with this matter in BLAPL number 8935 of 19, and also directed the trial to be concluded within 6 months. And till today, the trial has not.
It was trial was directed to.
My lord, BLAPL number 8935 of 2019.
Yes.
My lord, the last para. Considering the submission made by the Learned Counsel for the respective parties, the period of the detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, and the progress of the trial so far, while not inclined to release the petitioner on bail, I direct the Learned Trial Court to expedite the trial and conclude the same within a period of 6 months from the date of receipt of the order. Accordingly, BLAPL is disposed of.
Yes.
My
what
lord.
Happened thereafter?
Yes. My lord, till today, the trial has not yet been concluded. The only out of 17.
What is the status report?
Status report, my lord, also called for. Out of 17, 11 witnesses have already been examined.
Yes. Since when you are in custody?
1/9/2017.
You are a man from?
Local man.
Yes, Mrs. Sahoo.
My lord.
Their date is correct, 1/9/2017. Please see the charge sheet.
My lord, also in the order, my lord.
Wait, let us verify.
As per the charge sheet, my lord, absconder charge sheet, my lord. Status of the accused absconder, my lord.
Charge sheet kebe file la?
Twenty-five 7/2014.
25
7/2014.
2014.
14.
So by that date you are an absconder.
My lord.
Now you are in custody since 1/9/2017.
17. Incident of 2013.
No, it's all right. On what basis I can know that about that date particularly?
My lord, also date in the order sheet also, my lord, reflected.
Who did?
In the order, Law and Counsel for the petition submit that the petitioner is in judicial custody.
ସେଇଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସବମିଶନ ଟା ନୋଟ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କୋଉଠୁ ମୁଁ ପାଇବି ଯେ ଆପଣ 1/9/2017 ରୁ କଷ୍ଟଡିରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି? No, you are granted interim bail in PLAPL number 9819 of 2012 for a period of 3 months.
my lord.
How many times you are granted interim bail?
Last time, my lord, also granted interim bail, and you are surrendered in time on 24/2/2023.
All right, you bring the custody certificate. Now the status report has come. So this period, about the custody period, you bring it.
My lord, the report of the additional district judge Contamar, he has stated, with reference to the subject caption above, I am enclosing herewith the photocopies of the deposition PW8 to PW11 in session style number 80 of 2017 in connection with the Contamal PSK number 45 dated 7/3/2013 in favor of the kind perusal of the Honorable Court in reference to the BLAPL number 7458 of 2023. It appears that is 18 to 17. He was in custody since 2017. 1/9/2017.
Okay, the learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner was taken into judicial custody on 1/9/2017. He was granted interim bail for some time, and after availing the same, he surrendered at right time before the London trial court. The status report submitted by the London trial court indicates that out of 17 charge sheet witnesses, 11 witnesses have been examined. Let the London counsel for the state produce the custody certificate of the petitioner on the next date. Free copy of the order be handed over to the land counsel for the state. Yes, Mr.
Item 27.
May I please? Last
Item 28.
May applicant.
Just a minute. Yes, Mr. Panda.
More than 2 years in custody, charge yet to be framed for the case under NDPS Act, my lord, commercial quantity, outsider, my lord.
କେବେ ହେଲାଣି
Outsider. Your lordship has,
verify ହେଇଯାଇଛି ସବୁ?
I have given to the address.
Document ଗୁରା ସବୁ ଦେଇଥିଲେ?
Two local surety document, my lord, they have filed on 25/4 and I have already sent the letter on 29/4, my lord, yet to be
25 ତାରିଖ ଦେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
My-
ପାଇନାହାନ୍ତି instruction. Address verification ହେଇଯାଇଛି?
No, my lord.
କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତା ଭିତରେ।
My lord.
ଚାର୍ଜ ଫ୍ରେମ୍ ହେଲା 15/4/2024 ରେ ୱିଟନେସ୍ କି ଏକ୍ସାମିନ ହେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଯେତେବେଳେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ପଠେଇଲେ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ଡେଟ୍ ଥିଲା 29/4/2024 କୁ। that is the status report. All right, preview the status report furnished by the learned trial court. Stop. Subpara. As for the order dated 12/4/2024, the learned counsel for the petitioners करिए supplied the names, address and documents of two local sureties for verification to the learned counsel for the state on 25/4/2024. The learned counsel for the state submitted that she has already sought for instruction on those documents, but some more time may be granted to obtain instruction. Put up this matter on 17/5/2024. Instruction on the local sureties, so also about the correctness of the address furnished by the petitioner in the cause title to be obtained in the meantime. Yes.
Obligation.
Item 29.
So item 29, lordship, directed to products for surrender certificate, lordship. But I have not. I beg father time, lordship.
Surrender Kolani na nahi?
In time, he surrender.
Learned counsel for the petitioner submit that he has received instruction that after availing the interim bail period, the petitioner has surrendered before the learned trial court and he may be given some more time to produce the surrender certificate. Put up this matter on 17/5/2024.
Item 31.
Mr. Murthy.
Yes, I'm on VC Miller.
Yes.
I find there is actually a noting that the prisoner's petition is there at flag Y.
Flag Y.
Prisoner's petition.
Mr. Murthy, he has requested this court to engage Mr. Patnaik, Rajiv Lochan Patnaik.
So they say he had a similar petition was also filed before the lower court, Milon, that is trial court. And then trial court, when he appeared, he disowned that petition. And now today also, I have made an inquiry. He has given the instructions to appear in person. So probably, if your lordship hears him in person, probably he may give the.
This is a recent letter, Mr. Murthy, on
Yes,
it is 24/4/2024.
That's what he said. He refuses to have given this. And it may be kindly taken up on some other day so that in case he gives another
I'm
letter.
indicating the name of Mr. Rajiv Lochan Patnaik, whether he is present today. No, he's not there. So his name I'm reflecting on the cause list on the next day, so that he can say that whether he has been approached by any of the family members or relatives to appear for the petitioner or not in this case.
Okay, my lord.
peruse the prisoner's petition at flag
Why?
Y, in which a request is made to engage Mr. Rajiv Lochan Patnaik as his advocate. Mr. T.N. Murthy, Land Counsel, is present through virtual mode. Since the name of Mr. Patnaik has not been reflected in the cause list, let matter be listed on 17/5/2024, indicating the name of Mr. Rajiv Lochan Patnaik. Yes.
Obliged, my lord.
Item 32.
May I please, your lordship? Last occasion, lordship call for the case diary.
Item 33.
Yes, please. And the case is under section 20B as a 2 by C, madam. 756 কেজি গঞ্জা and 57 কেজি 756 কেজি ভাঙ্গ 57 কেজি গঞ্জা সেই জিনিস জেল খরচ 3/1/20 3/1/20 ଜେଲରେ ରହୁଛି।
ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲେ ଯାଇନାହାନ୍ତି କେବେ?
ହଁ, ଦିଥର ଯାଇଛି।
ଦିଥର ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା, in the meantime the co-accused already been released by this court, my lord. So
ସେ ଯାଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଥା ଆପଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କେତେଥର ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଠିକ ସମୟରେ ଫେରିଛନ୍ତି ନା ନାହିଁ?
ହଁ, ଠିକ ସମୟରେ ଫେରିଛି।
ଆଉ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆସୁ ଇଏ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ the learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner was taken into judicial custody on 3/1/2020 and in the meantime twice he has been granted interim bail. ଦିଥର ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ତ? And after availing the same he surrendered at right time. Perusal of the status report submitted by the London trial court indicates that out of 21 charge sheet witnesses, 9 witnesses have been examined. Let the London State Council obtain instruction as to whether there is any allegation against the petitioner to have misutilized his liberty while on interim bail or not. A report be called for from the London trial court whether after availing the interim bail period, the petitioner surrender at right time or not. Put up this matter on 17th of May 2024. The file be placed before the registered judicial court. Yes. Copy of the order be handed over to the State Council.
Present petition is submitted from 26/3/2021.
Just a minute. Single petitioner.
Mind.
Yes, Mr. Kuntia, what do you say?
Present petition is custody from 26/3/21.
26/3/2021.
21.
ଆଗରୁ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି?
ହଁ, ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ଥର ହେଇଛି।
କୋଉଥିରେ? BLPL?
That is BLPL number 3815 of 2022. Disposed of from 23/11.
ଅଛି କପି ଅଫ ଦି ଅର୍ଡର ଅଛି? କଣ ପାଇଁ ରିଜେକ୍ସନ ହେଇଥିଲା କଣ ଆସିଛି କି ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ? ନାଇଁ ସେଇଟା ନାହିଁ। ୟା ନାଁଟା ହଉଛି ବିଶ୍ୱଜିତ ଷଣ୍ଢ।
Copy is not available.
ନାଇଁ କେତେ ନମ୍ବର କହିଲେ?
38 ମାଇଲା
38
3815 of 22.
3815 of 2020. Rejection order dated
23/11/2022.
23/11?
22.
What are the offenses under which charge sheet?
302.
302.
302 34 IPC due to section 25 and 27. Answer.
Date of occurrence?
15/3/2021.
15/3/2021. You said that your first bail application was rejected.
Yes.
In BLAPL number 3815 of 2020.
Right. 20.
Then how?
22.
3815 of 2022. ठीक है। So 15/3/2000 के occurrence date.
Right.
केबे?
15/3/21.
So what is the position now?
And I witness the Kalia Singh. Your lordship has granted one bail, my lord, that that has been reflected.
Kind order kind.
Kalia Singh, who was the eyewitness, has not said anything. I'm marked.
अच्छा ये जो co-accused of bail है.
Right.
Wait. Co-accused वाला शेख अब्दुल आसिफ और बाबूला अलिया शेख रोहित. Ankori bail lekha is London Council for the petitioner submit so and so. Acha. He stated that some unknown culprits by means of so and so committed. Okay. During course of investigation, eyewitnesses were examined, including one Kalia Singh.
Right.
And they have not stated regarding participation of any of the petitioner in the alleged crime. The implication of the petitioner is based on the own confession. ସେମାନଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ own confession ଥିଲା ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କୁ କେମିତି ତୁଳନା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ? The fact that the eyewitnesses have not implicated.
Present petitioner also implicated at the instance of one such Jamman, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Sahoo.
My lord,
Once
deposition copy not supplied today, only PW5 deposition copies.
Kale eyewitness to.
এবার কালিয়া সিং রହୁଛି main ଲୋକ ତା ୱିଟନେସ ଦେଖି ଆପଣ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଦେଖୁନା ସେ ଗୁଡା ସପୋର୍ଟ କରିନି ଆପଣ ହଷ୍ଟାଇଲ ତ ହଉଛି ହବ କାଳିଆ ସିଂ ହଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ଆଇ ୱିଟନେସ ସେ ହଷ୍ଟାଇଲ ହେଇଛି ଦି ଜଣ ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ ବେଲ ରେ ଗଲେଣି ସେଇଆ ହିଁ ସବମିଶନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ସେମ ଫୁଟିଂ ରେ ଅଛି ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ବେଲ ଦିଆଯାଉ କାଳିଆ ସିଂ ହଷ୍ଟାଇଲ ତ examined as PW5 or the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. Learned counsel for the petitioner submit that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 26/3/2021 and he has been charge sheeted under section 302/34 IPC and section 25 and 27 of the Arms Act. His earlier bail application was rejected by this court in BLAPL number 3815 of 2022 as per order dated 23/11/2022. In the meantime, trial has commenced and the eyewitness Kalia Singh, who has been examined as PW5, has not supported the prosecution case for which he has been declared hostile. Learned counsel further submits that two of the co-accused persons, namely Sheikh Abdul Asif alias Loki and Babula alias Sheikh Rohit, have been released on bail by this court in BLAPL number 6217 of 2021 and BLAPL number 4009 of 2021 as per order dated respectively as per order dated 8/12/2021. And therefore the bail application may be favorably considered. Learned counsel for the state, after going through the evidence of PW5 Kalia Singh, has not disputed that he has not supported the prosecution case. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the respective parties, period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, nature of evidence adduced by the witnesses so far in the trial court, I am inclined to reconsider the prayer for bail and release of the co-accused persons on bail. I am inclined to reconsider the prayer for bail and direct the petitioner to be released on bail, appear before the learned trial court on his bail, and shall not try to tamper with the evidence, shall not indulge in any criminal activities, violation of any terms and conditions, and cancellation of bail allowed.
Pardon to mention my
So rest of the matter will come on 17.
Pardon to mention my lordship.
58 not pressed.
Pardon to mention my lords.
Wait. 58 not pressed. 58 it is for modification. It is
already disposed of cases. Casualty already in the meantime judgment is filed.
So IA numbers want so modification not pressed for them.
Both the cases.
How would
So it's a sub item.
Sub item BLAPL 3870/2020 IA number 1289 of 2020 not pressed.
79.
Item 50, last occasion your lordship directed to supply the deposition copies.
Have you supplied to the state council?
Yes.
Who item?
Today I am supplying.
Who कितने number item?
Item 50.
50.
My lords.
Court में आज file करिवे.
My lord.
Item number 50 रे लिखंतु. The learned counsel for the petitioner files the deposition copies which are taken on record. A set of deposition has been supplied to the learned counsel for the state, who seeks some time to go through the same, put up this matter on 17/5/2024.
Item 35. One small prayer, Mila. Here, your lordship was pleased to pass the order That is 5/4/2024. Here, your lordship are directed to deposit 15 lakhs rupees.
କୋଉ order ଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି?
5/4/2024. 5/4.
Item number 35. BLPL number 11,483 ତ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ତା ଦେହରେ ଆଉ connected 556 of 2024, wife and husband both.
Yes, what do you say?
Here your lordship has been pleased to pass an order directing the petitioner to deposit 15 lakhs rupees.
Yes.
But they have arranged only 10 lakhs rupees. Only small prayer. Let the wife be released on bail so that
the amount is some crores rupees. So it's a very small amount. So
15 lakhs rupees because Milord, they couldn't arrange that.
It was just you made the submission. That is not the. We may ask some further amount, but you yourself volunteered that you will deposit.
Yes,
so,
Milord. That.
So let it come in the next
sitting.
Not
able to arrange it, Milord. Only the wife comes out and she will.
Is anything, Mr. Rao?
My lords, my submission, my lord, item 34, lordship was pleased to allow me, lords. But due to some misunderstanding, my lords, my sister appearing for the state in item 19, she stated that case diary is not available. Maybe.
All right, next.
Yeah, please, lordship.
Item. Yeah, please, lordship. May I please, lordship?
Item 34 and item 10 Millers, and the case was available in item 34 Millers, but my sister somehow she stated that CD is not available.